You're not lazy, but you still can't stay consistent. You wake up with good intentions. You tell yourself, today's the day. I'm going to stick to this habit. Maybe it's waking up early, or finally working out, or writing that project you've been putting off. You check your phone for just a second, and suddenly, 30 minutes disappear. You get up, stretch, maybe grab a snack, but somehow the plan slips away. By the end of the day, you've done, well, not much. And tomorrow, you promise yourself you'll do better. Sound familiar? This isn't bad luck. It's not a lack of willpower. There are real reasons why this keeps happening. You're not failing because you're lazy. You're failing because your brain and habits are working against you. And until you understand why, the cycle repeats. So here's what usually happens. You say, I'm going to save 30 minutes every morning to work out. You're pumped. You're motivated. Then you see a funny video online. 2 turns into 10. And suddenly, your workout time's gone. Or maybe you tell yourself, I'll write 500 words a day. You open your laptop, and 5 minutes later, you're deep down a rabbit hole of cat memes. No judgment. You've been there. You think, I'll just start fresh tomorrow. But tomorrow comes, and the same story repeats. It's almost like your brain is playing a prank on you. Let's break down why this happens. There are 3 main reasons you can't stay consistent. Reason 1, you set unrealistic goals. You aim for a massive leap instead of small steps. Want to write a novel? You try to write 2,000 words a day from day 1. No surprise, you burn out fast. Reason 2, you rely on motivation. Motivation is like a roller coaster, exciting but unpredictable. You wait for that rush to hit, but it's often gone before you start. Reason 3, you don't have systems in place. This is where most people get stuck. Good habits don't just happen. They require a setup, a routine that works with your lifestyle, not against it. You want consistency? You need to build your environment, your mindset, and your routine to support it. Here's the hard truth. You don't have a motivation problem. You don't have a laziness problem. You have a habit problem. That's it. No magic pill. No sudden burst of willpower. Just habits. So, how do you fix it? Step 1. Start small. Pick one tiny habit. Want to write? Write 1 sentence a day. Want to work out? Put on your shoes. That's it. Step 2. Be consistent, not perfect. Missing a day doesn't mean you fail. It means you're human. Get back on track immediately. Step 3. Build systems. Create a trigger for your habit. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Set a reminder on your phone. Make it easy and automatic. Yes, it's simple, but not easy. Most people won't do this, but if you do, you'll start winning. Now imagine this. You wake up. You don't fight yourself. You're in control. Your phone still buzzes, but you don't get lost in it. You put on those shoes. You write your sentence. You're building momentum. Your habits support you instead of derailing you. And that old cycle, it's broken. So here's the truth. You're not stuck. You're just repeating the same habits. Fix those habits, or keep making excuses. The choice is yours.